This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites so the reset works cleanly. Make sure your Infinix has at least 30% battery and you know the Google account tied to the device. This avoids activation lock after a factory reset. Once done, connect to Wi-Fi or mobile data if available, since remote options require network access. If you can't connect, prepare a PC for a manual recovery reset. This prepares you to choose the fastest path: remote erase or local recovery reset. You now decide between a remote erase or an on-device recovery reset. If the phone is online and linked to your Google account, sign in to Find My Device, select Erase Device, and follow prompts. This removes the lock remotely. If it's offline or remote fails, power off and boot into recovery mode by holding power plus volume up. Navigate with volume keys, select Wipe Data/Factory Reset, and confirm. This clears the lock, but also deletes all user data, which is why you prepared earlier. You finish by rebooting and following the setup prompts. Make sure to sign into the same Google account you used before to clear factory reset protection, otherwise the phone remains locked. Once in, restore from any backups and set a new PIN, pattern, or fingerprint for quick recovery later. If the phone still asks for someone else's credentials or FRP blocks you, contact Infinix support or visit an authorized service center with proof of purchase. This resolves ownership verification issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.